Hello everyone, I'm Slick.js and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm thrilled to present a creative project of mine. I've crafted a captivating hexagonal wheel slider using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the powerful Slick.js library. In this project, an intriguing interaction comes to life. As you hover over a wheel, it springs into action, playing the video. When your mouse moves away, the video elegantly pauses. But there's an added twist: an accompanying audio track enriches the entire experience. For those eager to delve deeper, you'll find the complete source code and a project preview in the description below. Just follow the provided GitHub link. Immerse yourself in the world of creative coding, interactivity, and visual storytelling. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey. In the near future, I'll be introducing an exciting new feature. By clicking on a reel, a pop-up will appear, treating you to an array of Instagram story-style sliders showcasing wheels. I'm truly excited to share this with you. Stay connected for the upcoming Instagram story feature. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button to keep up with the latest updates from Slick.js. Thank you for your support.